I'm happy. We've been talking for a little while now. People were telling me to come meet you because I'm in the city now.
Yes.
I'm happy. Like I'll just say right now, for my channel, we got a tour of the place now, and this guy is amazing.
Thank
Look
you.
at
All right. This is the inverter, and this inverter is a 5,000 watts inverter. We just bought it from one of our friends. He runs a company that sells solar equipment, and the idea is these inverters you can actually connect them in series, meaning that you can take more than one inverter to multiply the number of wattage that you get there. You can see over there it says 5,000 watts. So you can connect them in parallel, and then there's some connection that comes from the bottom there. So you connect them in parallel, and then you're multiplying the amount of wattage there. So this is being a 5,000. We've bought 3 of them, and then that will give us about 15,000. The idea was for us to get up to 20,000 watts, but because it's a very expensive system, the whole system we have paid close to 12 million. So yeah, which means that for us to build it more than that, it would have come up to maybe 15 million. But we just started with building this system up to 15,000 watts. And then the good thing about the system is that you can actually build it up. We have bought about 27 panels. I'll be showing you the panels just now. We bought about 27. We've bought 27 panels. So yeah, this is the inverter. It comes with a CD. I don't know whether it's a DVD. I think it's a CD because it's programmable. You can program it so that it can also be a hybrid inverter, whereby when you have electricity from the grid, it can always alternate with electricity when the electricity is down, and this system will take over. We have the belief that with 15,000 watts we can be able to do our job, weld and grind. Yeah, but still more, we need to boost it even more. My idea is to actually never apply for the grid power, to just use solar. I mean, we're hearing people talking about environmental, looking after the environment. I see America wants to go completely to renewable energy. So why can't we do it also here in Africa? Because Africa is the best place to do this renewable energy, because we have a lot of sun. We get a lot of sun. We have more sun in the year than we have clouds. So I think I can actually just keep on building my system until it comes to a point where now I can just fully be on off-grid. So that's the plan. The plan has always been like that, to be completely off-grid one of these days. And for us, we've been off-grid since we started our workshop, and we're using diesel generator. So we were going to move from diesel generator to solar generator. People have been saying that, Ted, you must still apply for the grid because the grid is cheaper than solar. I don't know what they mean when they say that, because when I have finished building my system, I will not worry about like paying some money every month, like the way I've been doing. Currently, we've been spending about 10,000 kwacha every day. So over the year, we are spending over 3 million kwacha only for energy. So coming to use solar, we will be saving a lot of money, saving over 3 million, and I can use that 3 million to continue building my system until it has come to a point where now it's fully off-grid. There are companies in Malawi, I understand, that are completely off-grid. And there are families in Malawi that are completely off grid. So why can't we do it? So yeah, that's the aim that we are going for. Okay, so we are now in the garage. And you'll have to excuse me because we don't have enough light in here. So as you can see, it's where I was parking my Nissan Patrol. But yeah, we are keeping the solar panels in here. We have about 27 solar panels that are stacked in here. So you can see that these panels, they are 300 watts panel. So we have 27 of them. Let me just check the wattage that is there. For those who are up to date, with the solar systems, you will be able to understand what this system is. Yeah, so he said something like 400 watts or 300 watts solar panels. All right, but yeah, they are 335 watts panels. Yeah, but yeah, we have 27 of them. And he has brought us also these batteries. These batteries are lithium ion batteries, as you can see over there. 100 amp lithium ion. So we have 200 amp. This is just for us to just start with. These batteries are also very expensive. It's 2 million kwacha for one battery. So for the two batteries, it's 4 million. Very, very expensive. The solar panels were 190 each. So yeah, you can see these things are 190,000 kwacha each. So very, very expensive. Yeah, the good thing is that I can be able to work in this workshop, in this garage at night, do my projects. If I want to, I can go in the workshop at night and do my work there also. And even during the day with my staff, we're no longer going to be making noise on this place. I know some of our YouTube subscribers have been complaining, saying, Ted, you might do something about the noise. Yeah, it's always been bothering me, and now we're going to get rid of the noise. We might be using the generator when there's a lot of clouds and we don't have a lot of power, but I'm sure as time goes by, when we have built up enough batteries and added enough solar panels on the roof, we're looking at maybe getting up to 50 panels on the roof, and also adding more batteries. I don't know, he said if we can go up to 8 batteries or 10 batteries, that will be now sorted. So the money that I'll be saving from the fuel, I'll be building up the system. I've got some other equipment that I'll be needing. It's now gathering dust. I haven't been looking after this. There's a MIG weld, the blue one, and the 2 red ones are plasma cutters. I need to do something to look after these things here. Inolilongo has got a lot of dust, so the dust just accumulates everywhere. You know, even the tractor tires, they've got lots of dust here. We also, in this box, we have got a saw. I don't know what we can call this type of a saw, but it's a saw, you know, that we used to be cutting metal. So I haven't yet taken it to this workshop. Still working on the workshop so that I can take it there, and the same with this drill. So one of these days we're gonna have dress up the workshop. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you the solar system that we are busy working on. Yeah, so I think it's a great investment, and it will help us a lot, because then we don't have to have downtime because of load shedding. We don't have to worry about those things and just keep on moving. Yeah. So I want to hear what you think about this. Share your ideas, what you think. Do you think it's a good investment? If it's not, tell us why you think so. You know, don't just say it's not good, but tell us why. If you think it's a good investment, also tell us why you think it is. Thank you. All right, so we have got an electrician that has been busy in the workshop preparing for the wiring. So as you can see, there's pipes all over, and I might hide these conduits with some block boards, which are going to be attached onto the wall, so that we hide those conduits. I don't know if we're going to do it up there, because up there it's not looking very clustered like the way it is at the bottom here. But you see that decking we have over there, and you see that's where we're going to have our power system. I know, like the solar, the inverters will also be stacked there. The reason why I've chosen to put them there is for security reasons, because we don't want people breaking in here and having access to the solar system and taking it away. We have got an alarm system in here, so if somebody tries to break in, the alarm will go off, and by the time they want to come up there to remove those things, I'm sure we will be awake, and the whole village will be awake. And we are also going to build a cage there, so the whole thing there is going to be in a cage. So when you access it, you access through a gate that you open to go inside there to go and do whatever you want to do. Somebody said, what if there's an emergency and you want to cut the power off? We're going to have emergency switches. You know, like you see here, we have the fire extinguisher. We need to get another fire extinguisher, put them there, and get another fire extinguisher, maybe in the kitchen here. But we will have some emergency cut. So you just press to put the power off in the whole workshop. That's what we're going to do. Because this guy was thinking, if you want to put the thing off, you have to get up the stairs and you have to walk alongside the decking and then to get to the power. Yeah, so as you can see, the guys were busy yesterday to install the main switch, and after that, that's when we are going to be doing the power. All right. Yeah, so please don't forget to leave a comment. Let's hear what you think about it, and yeah, let's think what you think. Tell us what you think. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.